Welcome to the Easy English Learning Channel.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the English Learner channel. Today, we are focusing on daily use English vocabulary to boost your everyday conversations. Get ready for some useful words and phrases, practical examples, and quick tips. Let's get started. Tumble. Meaning: to fall suddenly clumsily. For example, she tumbled down the stairs. He tumbled into the swimming pool. Stumble. Meaning: lose one's balance, almost fall. For example, he stumbled but didn't fall. I stumbled while walking in the park. Trample. Meaning: tread on and crush. For example, please don't trample the flowers. Don't trample on the ants. Tremble. Meaning: to feeling movement or sound. There was a slight tremble in his voice. For example, the child is tremble with fear. He was trembling in the cold. Tilt. Meaning: move or cause to move into a sloping position. For example, he tilted his head. The building had a slight tilt. Squat. Meaning: sit with one's knee bent and one's heels close. For example, please squat down so I can take your picture. He was muscular and squat. Clench. Meaning: close into a tight ball, especially as a manifestation of extreme anger. For example, he clenched his fists in anger. He clenched his teeth to hold back his anger. Pound. Meaning: to hit or strike something repeatedly. For example, someone was pounding at the door. He was pounded the nail into the wall. Embrace. Meaning: an act of holding someone closely in one's arms. For example, she embraced her friend tightly. The mother embraced her child tightly. Descend. Meaning: move or fall downward. For example, he is descending the stairs. The cat descended from the tree. Ascend. Meaning: go up or climb. For example, he is ascending the stairs. The airplane ascending into the sky. Tug. Meaning: pull something hard or suddenly. For example, tug the rope hard. The baby was tugging her hair. Stomp. Meaning: tread heavily and noisily, typically in order to show anger. For example, she is stomping her feet in anger. He stomped his feet on the ground. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.